Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up our 34 Streetrod. Let's take a listen to her. Got rear air and vintage air. Flankers work. I think we got the blinkers do not work right now. There's your headlights and your marker lights up front. Tail lights, there you can hear the exhaust, got a nice rumble to it. Of course, that big it looks like 3.5 inch exhaust with headers. So. Stereo works. No wipers. Horn doesn't work, which is pretty normal on aftermarket. Steering gauges all work. Oh, it's got inside dome lights that are blue, and I've seen some lights underneath, so it must have some lights underneath too. So pretty cool car. Any questions, give me a call. 605-695-7391.